Hello and welcome to another episode of Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago. Live Feed is brought to you by Traveling Tech Teacher. For all your digital resources, check out travelingtechteacher.com. Also brought to you by thebullyexposed.com. Get your Die Shall Not Bully t-shirt at represent.com/store/thebullyexposed. A few of my followers have told me about a model who is also an author. She has a website called kimcarrera.com. And I checked out her website because my followers told me, hey, check this person out. So I decided to check her website out. She has a lot of interesting subjects on her website. For instance, she has a category for well-being, mindset healing, natural beauty, and high vibe recipes. And I believe they're all vegan recipes. And she also has a natural beauty section where she talks about one particular thing that she talks about is how to make a coffee scrub for clearer skin naturally. And being that I live in Italy, and in my opinion, Italy has some of the best coffee in the world, I'm definitely going to give that coffee scrub a look at in one of my next videos. One thing that really caught my eye on her site is how to make toxic-free kitchen cleaner. Now, I have been cleaning with vinegar for years, and to flavor it up, I put essential oils in it. I might put lemon, lime, and other tea tree oil and other stuff. But I've never seen one where you put lemon rinds or orange rinds. So I just finished making myself some grapefruit juice this morning. So I'm gonna make one using the rinds from a grapefruit. And here are the things that you need. You'll need some distilled vinegar, some citrus rind, be it from grapefruit, limes, oranges, or lemons, an old spray bottle, and 2 glass jars. Once you have that all together, you want to take your rinds and cut them into strips. Be careful not to cut your fingers. And please, children, get your parents' approval. There you have it, in beautiful strips. The next thing is to get it into the jars. This is the easy part, getting them into the jar. Just be careful not to spill it. Once you have them neatly in the jars, go ahead and place the distilled vinegar. Be sure to use a funnel so you don't make a mess. Mom and Dad will be happy about that. Very carefully and neatly place the cap. Then shake well. After you have shaken the bottle well, place in a cool, dark place, away from sunlight. After 2 weeks of sunlight, you're free to place it in your reusable spray bottle. Be sure to use a funnel and to stay neat. After you have it in the spray bottle, if you see a mess on the counter, feel free to clean it up yourself. Your parents will have the peace of mind of knowing you're cleaning the house without any toxic cleaner. That's going to do it for us on this episode of Live Feed with your host, Richard Santiago. Live Feed is brought to you by Traveling Tech Teacher. For your digital resources, check out travelingtechteacher.com. Also brought to you by thebullyexposed.com. Get your Die Shall Not Bully t-shirt at represent.com/store/thebullyexposed. And be sure to check out kimcarrera.com. Remember, anyone can wear the crown. Anyone can be a hero. Be kind to one another, guys, and have a great day. Bye now.